Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm unboxing and reviewing the Soundcore Motion X500, a powerful Bluetooth speaker designed for immersive spatial audio. Let's get straight into it. As I open the box, the first thing I see is the speaker itself, and wow, it looks premium. It has a sleek metal grille, a sturdy aluminum handle for easy carrying, and an IPX7 waterproof rating, meaning it can handle splashes and even full submersion. Inside the box, we also get a USB-C charging cable and a user manual. Pretty simple, but all you need to get started. Now, let's talk about sound quality. The Motion X500 features 3 high-performance drivers that deliver 40 West of powerful, room-filling sound. The upward-firing driver creates a 3D spatial audio experience, making your music feel wider and more immersive. Whether you're into deep bass, crisp vocals, or balanced mids, this speaker delivers rich and dynamic audio that sounds great in any setting. For connectivity, it's got Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring a fast and stable connection, and it supports LDAC and AAC codecs for high-resolution streaming. Plus, it has a built-in microphone, so you can take hands-free calls with ease. Battery life. You get up to 12 hours of playback, perfect for long listening sessions. Overall, the Soundcore Motion X500 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for premium sound, a stylish design, and great portability. I'm excited to start using it. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. See you in the next one.